Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is how to brush hair. Correct hair brushing stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. Brushing helps remove dust, dirt, and hairspray buildup from the hair and gives hair added shine. You should include a thorough hair brushing prior to the beginning of every shampoo. When performing a scalp treatment, pay attention to the pressure used in brushing. Brush gently to remove debris and buildup while not allowing the brush to overstimulate or prick the scalp area. Please note, you should always begin brushing the hair from the ends first and then work up towards the scalp. You can then freely brush the hair to rid of all tangles. There are many brushes on the market. The most highly recommended hair brushes are those made of natural bristles. Natural bristles have many tiny overlapping layers or scales, which clean and add luster to the hair. Hairbrushes with nylon bristles are shiny and smooth and are more suitable for hairstyling. Paddle brushes with rubber interior bristles and plastic vent brushes are also widely used, especially when detangling hair. If you liked this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on TikTok and Facebook at Howard Brown Online Barber College. Also, you can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.